Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy, and the first card in the May 2021 Batter Up Paper Pumpkin kit. We're going to do the All-Star one. Now, the thing to remember with these kits is everything that you need to make the items is in the kit. And the instructions are new and improved, and it actually tells you on the back of the instructions everything that you need to make the card. So what you need is your card base. You need 2 of the baseball bat punch outs. You need 1 of the red rectangular, 1 of the all-star, 1 of the baseball. You need a variety. You need actually 3 glue dots and 3 dimensionals, and you need 3 red and 2 yellow of the enamel dots. You need your Night of Navy stamp spot. You need your acrylic block. If this is your first subscription, the acrylic block will have come in the box. If it's subsequent ones, you just reuse the acrylic block. And then you need the sun stamps. So you've got the sun stamp. Everything you need to make it is there. And then full instructions on how to make the card. So, and it even shows you where you put your glue dots down and then where you put your dimensionals down. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the card in half, and I'm going to use the rounded edge of my acrylic block like a bone folder just to smooth that edge down. So there we've got our card front. The next thing we do is we put 3 glue dots on the back of the red rectangle. And we're just going to pop those down and peel the backs off, just like that. And we're going to stick this down just above the halfway mark in the card. It's not quite halfway down, it's about there. Let's line that up and center it with the lines on the card. Then we need to take the baseball bats and we need to put an adhesive dot there and an adhesive dot about there. And we'll do that with the other one as well. So we'll put the adhesive dots on the back like that. Then we'll peel them off and crisscross them. Just like this. So this one goes down first, like that. Maybe a little further up, just like that. There we go. And then we'll take the other one and we'll peel the backing off the adhesive dots, and then we will cross this over, and it looks like the bats cross at the bottom of that piece there. And then we are going to need, they say that's the first step. The second step is to stamp the word sun on the baseball. So the baseball is at an angle like that, and we need to stamp the word sun right there. So we're going to ink up the greeting, and then we're going to just stamp it down like that. Magic. All right, so we'll cover up the ink spot. And then what we need to do is we need to take dimensionals, and we need to add dimensionals. They say 3 to the back of this, and then we put it down on the card. And we are going to center this over the red, keeping the word sun correct, so it's nice and straight. And then we're going to take the All-Star and we're going to dimensionalize this over top. Here like this. Nice, nice, nice. And then the last step is we take our enamel dots and we put them by the baseball bats here. And then one down here. And we take yellow and we pop a yellow up here and a yellow down here. And that is the first of the cards made. So following step by step along the instructions, and that's the card. So stay tuned for the next card in the series. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in a bit.